Hi friends, today we are going to solve Fibonacci numbers from the recursion and backtracking subsection of the interview preparation kit. So as we already know about recursion is nothing but basically addition of the two of the previous numbers. So it would be basically from zero. The first number would be zero, the second number would be one, and the third number would be addition of the zeroth and the first number. Similarly, the fourth would be addition of second and the third number in this same way it will keep on increasing. But here the trick is that we have to use recursion, not some tabulation method of simply adding the numbers. So to do that in recursion, we first determine what is our base case, in which cases our recursion will stop. So in that case, the recursion will stop in two of the cases. The first case is that when n would be 0, we will be return 0, and when n would be 1, would be returning 1, and else we would be returning addition of the two number. So return Fibonacci n minus 1 plus Fibonacci n minus 2. Pretty simple problem. So let's run it. As you can see, it passed all the test cases, and let's submit the code. It passed all the subsequent test cases also properly. So this is a very simple problem. I think in your engineering or in any of the computer related courses, this is something which will be taught to you as an example for recursions. So it is pretty straightforward and very simple. Only I guess 3 lines of programming. And as always, I keep on reminding you, please just do comment below, share me your feedback. If possible, join the Discord channel where you could share and interact with our knowledge, and stay tuned.